Hello, everyone! Prepare yourself as we get ready for a big, bold, and beautiful musical adventure. This course is all about music from the continent of Asia.
Excellent, Maestro. Today, we focus on a massive geographical region of the world, Asia. Together, Asia contains 49 countries that cover an entire third of the Earth's land area. More than 4.7 billion people live there. That's 14 times more than the United States. Asia is split into 5 subregions, including Southeast, East, Central, South, and Western Asia. Today, we'll explore music from the region of Southeast Asia. But first, let's learn a little about it. Southeast Asia includes 11 mainland and island countries. These countries include Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam, as well as Singapore, Brunei, East Timor, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines. Each country is home to its own cuisine, cultural sites, animals, and religions. Noodle soups and rice dishes are common meals in Vietnam, while curries dominate dinner tables in Thailand. People from all over the world visit Cambodia's Angkor Wat to see an entire city of Hindu-Buddhist temples built 900 years ago. In Indonesia, the Komodo dragon is a main attraction at the Komodo Dragon National Park. These large lizards are referred to as dragons because of their appearance and large size. A number of other animals inhabit Southeast Asia, including endangered rhinoceros and orangutans. Today, we'll see and hear local music and cool instruments from Thailand, and then head east to Vietnam before visiting our final destination, Indonesia.
Hey, everybody! Time for a fun fact. Where there's music, there's dance. Dance can reflect the lives and history of a certain place. Let's check out some amazing dances from Southeast Asia. First, let's watch some Tinikling folk dancing from the Philippines. Inspired by the local Tinikling bird moving through tall grass, dancers must be quick as they move their feet between long bamboo poles that are slapped against the ground and each other. Wow, that was amazing! Now let's head over to the country of Brunei to check out Aduk Aduk. This fun and exciting dance celebrates the end of harvest season. And now, let's watch a traditional lion dance from Malaysia. Up next, and live from a Singapore stage, we have Kathak. It's an Indian classical dance style that means story. And finally, in 2020, Vietnam's Ministry of Health asked Vietnamese singers Eric and Min to create new lyrics to their song, Gen. Genco V was released as a way to promote health during the coronavirus outbreak. Quang Dung, a popular dancer, used the song to create a challenge that became known all over the world.